Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to remove repost on threads. Okay, if you want to remove a specific post because you have a change of mind, so all you have to do is to open your threads application in your device. Okay, and then go to your profile by tapping on this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, and then look for your posted post. So just have to click on this two arrows going in circle again. Okay, so after clicking on it, you'll be able to see this options. So just have to click on the remove. Okay, so right after that, that post will be gone from your timeline. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.